His robes for mine, oh wonderful exchange. Clothed in my sin, Christ suffered 'neath God's reign. Draped in His righteousness, I'm justified. In Christ I live, for in my place He died. His robes for mine, what cause have I for dread? God daunting law, Christ mastered in my stead. Faultless I stand, with righteous words not mine, saved by my Lord's vicarious death and life. I cling to Christ and marvel at the cost. Jesus forsaken, God estranged from God. Bought by such love, my life is not my own. My praise, my all, shall be for Christ alone. His robes for mine, God's justice is a peace. Jesus is crushed, and thus the Father's pleased. Christ and God's wrath on sin then cried, 'tis done. Sin's wages paid, propitiation done. His robes for mine, such anguish none can know. Christ God's beloved, condemned as though His foe. He as though I, accursed and left alone. I as though He, embraced and welcomed home. I cling to Christ and marvel at the cost. Jesus forsaken, God estranged from God.